Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim. Viewers know I am taking you to the fashion gallery of the fashion from nature, and you can see they have chosen the different places like the Guangzhou, Bombay, Paris, London, Sevilla, Babia, Mexico City, and different kind of the natural products, the natural dyes and the natural fibers they are utilized and have made the different kind of costumes. So let's explore. Viewers, China Silk Museum is famous to show the many kind of exhibitions, to arrange many things related to the fashion, related to the costumes. Here today is very different theme, and they have presented the fabrics, costumes, fashion by using the natural products, and they give the theme like the fashion from the nature. And around me you can see many kind of things, many kind of hats made by the natural products, the plant directly used, and similarly the feathers of the birds, and the work, handwork on the costumes. So we will show you one by one these things. Viewers, this is the one European style, and we were talking about the fashion from the nature. I can show you, here is the hat, and this hat is made by the feather. So you can see here very clearly. Similarly, the gloves with the golded embroidery. So these are here, and this queen like cloth with the floral embroidery on it. So very beautiful costume. So next go to another side. Viewers, here you can see these are the various kind of hats, and these hats are not made by the artificial things. These are made by the plants, the leaves of the plants, and from the bamboo stalks, some kind of sticks. They never waste anything. You see, even this hat is made by the leaf of one plant, and this is from the bamboo sticks. These are also some kind of small sticks like the grass roots. This is made even very beautifully. You see, they have designed this full dress by the natural products, and this is the wooden material. They make one wooden jacket on it, and many hats. This is also the wooden hat. This is the from the different kind of plants, different kind of trees, their bark, their leaves, their roots. They utilize these things and design this fashion industry. Viewers, before the textile production, the people wear the non-fiber materials, means they use the natural materials for their wearing. And here we can show you, this is the one dress made directly by the plants, the tree, the hard trees. This is called the tree cloth, and this is one kind of jacket and made by some kind of roots. Here you can see some kind of bags, and these all are the non-fiber materials, means this is the natural materials, and the natural products are used to weave to make these products. Viewers, here you can see the herbs are used, and the roots and the leaves of the plants are used to make these beautiful bags. And here is one cat model, and this is one kind of hat, these shoes. So these are the fabrics, sorry, not fabric, these are the natural material wearings. Viewers, the hair and the skin of these animals, means some kind of cats, tiger, leopard, the sheep, these are always be famous even in the history. Even people use the direct leather for their wearing, and here we can show you these kind of the jackets, and some kind of the upper wearings, and these all are by the leader of the cats, the leopard, and these kind of animals that have the long hair. So in the history people use this thing as the wearing. You can see from these pictures, and directly their leader is taken. Even some has the head there. This is the one cat like head, and they clean this leather and direct use for the direct wearing. Viewers, the theme of the tiger leather, in the history people use a direct tiger leather, but still this theme is kept, and now it is used by the woven farm, the woven fabric, but this woven fabric can use the hair of the tiger or the pattern of the tiger, and they make different kind of caps and the jackets and the wearings. Viewers, here is very amazing article. This cap is made by the feathers, and direct feathers are used for this thing, and as you can see very clearly the bird feathers are shown, and directly feathers are used, and they tie or weave it together to make the cap shape. So this is also the one article from the nature. Viewers, nothing is useless in the world. You can see these are the plastic bottles, recycled material, and how well it is maintained to decorate one big hall. You can see here they make the different kind of shapes, the fish, the tiger, the butterfly, many kind of shapes they generate by this way. And you see even these recyclable materials are useful, and they are giving very beautiful and the decorative touch in a big hall. Viewers, here you can see this look like the net, but this is actually not the net. This is the recycled material. The plastic bottles or these things are recycled, and this is the plastic net, and they used it as a external wearing. Viewers, behind me you can see these are just normal t-shirts, but these are not normal t-shirts. These are the t-shirts but with very big message for the green environment, for the environmental protection, to make the environment free from pollution. And they have shown here how can you recycle the products, how can you use the raw materials and the leftover products to make them useful again. So China is one of the famous country in the world that has the very big recycling system. Everything here is to be recycled and again make the useful products. Means once they use, then again use. So these shirts are actually giving the big message for the recycling. Viewers, here you can see some costumes. They look that okay, the normal costume, but the fiber used for these costumes is the renewable fiber. Once you use, when they become old, you can recycle it, and again you can make the new products, new clothes, and the new fibers. Viewers, we are familiar that the plastic can only be used to make the household articles, to make the chairs, furniture. Not only this, plastic can be used to wear. You can see here this is the plastic jacket. Here I can show you plastic shoes. These are the plastic boots, and these materials are the recyclable materials. Once you utilize it and you get fed up, they become old, you just throw in the machine, recycle it and make the new product. Viewers, here I can show you something. This is really very amazing thing. There are some fabrics look like fabric and look like the normal thread or normal fiber, but actually this is not the fiber. This is especially taken from the roots of the lotus, and the lotus roots, they weave it, they make the fiber, they make the thread, and make the fabrics by this. So this is also the product from the nature. The lotus silk is very famous, and in Vietnam it is worked there. And you see here they have shown the roots of the lotus. They cut it, they take it, and then make the thread, fiber, and then weave into the fabric. So if someone explore the nature, then they can have many things. Nothing is useless in this nature. You just have the idea and you just use it in the proper way, then you can have many things. Viewers, nothing is useless in this world, and nature give everything by itself. You just have to think, you just have some idea, then you can use the nature very well. And here we have shown you so many things, so many fabrics that are made by directly without fiber, directly use the natural products, the herbs, the roots, the leaves, and many products of the plants and the animals. And here behind me is also one example of that thing. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.